Okay, this is for Leo. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising. If I'm speaking and it sounds like that's what the other person is doing, or it sounds like your person is in that predicament or going through whatever, then take it as that. Take it how it resonates. You know what I'm saying? If I'm speaking and I'm hitting on topics for you, and then I go to a topic that doesn't seem like you, that doesn't mean it is you. Take it how it resonates. I decided to go live because it takes me so long to upload videos just from my phone, and it's taking up a lot of space on my phone. So that's what I'm gonna do. Go live just for a little bit until I feel like being off of Facebook again. Anyway, Leos. Do I have for Leos from now to the end of November? Leos from now to the end of November. Leos from now to the end of November. Leos from now to the end of November. Some of you Leos feel like you have a missed opportunity in something. Leos from now to the end of November. Some of y'all feel like y'all dropped the ball in a love situation, possibly. Leo from now to the end of November. Maybe with some secrets involved. Leo from now to the end of November. Y'all could have been dealing with a Cancer, a Pisces, or a Capricorn, or they just have these in their charts. Leos from now to the end of November. Leos or Libra from now to the end of November. Leos from now to the end of November. Okay. So what I got here is the Five of Wands, the Page of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, and the Ten of Swords. So some of you Leos are feeling really guilty about something. Maybe something new that you started, or somebody that you started new with. You possibly was in a relationship of some kind, or you just started dealing with somebody new. You probably left the situation because of fights, arguments. It was fights and arguments and a battle between you and another person. It was a lot of competition between you and another person. This could have been at a job, or this could be an actual person that you were dealing with. You found them attractive, or they found you attractive, but it was just all that, like they fell in love with the way you looked, or you fell in love with the way they looked. Take it how it resonates. We got the Eight of Swords. So now it's like weighing heavily on your mind. Or this can be them. This fight is weighing heavily. No, your weight is like weighing heavily on your mind. Did they just come in for passion or fun, or just they came in because the way I looked, they was fucking with me because the way I looked, they wanted something from me? You might feel like this person wasted your time in some way. You feel like your hands is tied in this situation. This person, you thinking about all the shit that this person probably have done to you, all the arguments and fights this person that you have gotten into with this person. It's like, damn, what am I gonna do with this information that I have that you possibly could have? I feel stuck in this situation. You could be stuck, or they could be stuck. Somebody's feeling like they have a little. Somebody's feeling like they have not enough money. Like they have to be stuck in their situation because they don't have enough money. You might feel like this person stabbed you over and over and over again in your back. Not literally. Please don't take it literal. And it's like, damn, they're going to keep doing this. We don't get along. I want to get out this situation, but I'm stuck. I feel like I'm held captive. I feel like a prisoner. And for others of you, this could have been like a sibling or somebody younger that you know, possibly an earth sign, younger. This person probably got locked up for some reason. You found out this person got locked up. You're trying to figure out how much their bail is. They could have been fighting over something. It was a fight that broke out and they went to jail for some reason. The person got really injured, really hurt, really bad. This person might have felt like this could be somebody in your environment, because this might not be for you Leos, like particular, like just you going through this, but this could be on your mind about someone that's around you that's going through legalities. Am I saying it right? They're stuck in a situation. They're probably locked up. This could be somebody in your family. Hey, what's the 5 of Wands? The 5 of Wands. 5 of Wands. Somebody could have gotten stabbed. You could be waiting for them to arrive, waiting for them to come home. They're possibly going to get 3 weeks or 3 months in jail. 3 weeks, 3 months, 3 years, depending on how severe. And for others of you, this is relationship. You could have cut this person off for treating you the way they did. You could have felt like this person had another person in a mix. And you possibly could have gotten into the fight with their person that they was dealing with on the side. Or you just have gotten into a fight with them. And it just broke out real ugly. What's the Page of Pentacles? A separation happened of some sort. You could have been married to this person. So now it's like a legal separation that's going on. You could possibly be looking into like counseling for mental clarity. You might be feeling torn up about this situation. Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords. I'm flipping. Eight of Swords. Take that. They might have to spend a year and 3 months in jail if this person is locked up, or it's going to take you a year to get mental clarity, to get over this person, to get over this pain and this hurt. Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords. Ooh. Wow. So there are two reversals, the Sun and the Chariot. They came up reverse. I'll turn them over. They came up reverse. For some of you, you could find out that you were pregnant and decided to get an abortion. You could be just deciding not to keep the baby because of all the stuff that's going on in a relationship, all the fights, all the arguments, all the confusion, and feeling like your hands are tied. You might not even want to have this child, but it's like, I mean, who wants to, nobody wakes up and say, oh, I'm going to just get an abortion. Like, it's a lot of things that you have to think about before that comes about. It's like, can I afford it? Do I have enough? I don't have enough money to actually get this done. So I'm going to pull what's on the top. Regret. Left out in the cold. Ten of Pentacles. It's like you have been feeling regret about this particular situation. Like you have no choice to leave. This person could have been controlling, arrogant, rude. Wanted you to do certain things a certain way. But it's like you didn't want to leave because possibly financial reasons. But you had to get up and go. You had to leave. But it seems like when you leave and leave this person behind, you're going to meet somebody more compatible with you, possibly a Taurus if you haven't met them already. Your money's going to be getting better when you felt like you needed this person at one point in time. There's like no more stress, no more dealing with this person anymore. Like I don't have to stress about being hurt. I don't have to stress about not having enough. You could honestly be talking to this Taurus person now. Like they're helping you get through your hurt, your pain. For some of you. It's like you're feeling really saddened on the inside, but you walk outside with a poker face like nothing bothers you. You cool. You good, like ain't shit bothering you. Yep, so that's what I got for Leo. So let me pull some oracle cards. You guys are going to be okay. You and your person, take it how it resonates. Is your person that's cross-watching and just watching for you, they could possibly feel like you did them wrong, or vice versa. So, Leo. What's going on with Leo? Leo. All tied up. You guys will get better. Leo. You got a lot on your mind. The Healer of Angels. You gotta heal. It's gonna take time. Leo. 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 Wow. Wow. That's so fucking amazing. So we got the door to value. So it's like once you get this person out of your circle, out of your life, that you're gonna like come into money. I mean, if it might have felt like you couldn't make money because this person probably was so controlling, like you couldn't do what you wanted to do, you couldn't network, you couldn't go out there and just be you because this person either had a handout a lot or they were very controlling in some type of way. And it's like you're gonna get victory too. So it's like once you heal from all these problems, like the doors are gonna open up and you're gonna get everything you want. You're gonna feel emotionally, physically, mentally, financially balanced all over again. So that's what I got for Leo. That was an amazing reading. I mean, of course all of us go through hurt and pain, but you know, we get out of it. But thanks for watching. Bye.